will be height advantage one, even if also for it to kumbaga, their control dun sa open possibly have the advantage to gain something like
Yeah, oo, kahit na kasi yung preparation namin na ano siya na whole game. And yung preparation din namin, they are parang we want to match up with them at your best. So yun ang pinag-prepare namin. So, same way, sa Friday we know na magiging kumpleto sila. And yun ang magiging preparation namin na they are getting a course leaders like this. So we just have to be more resilient sa mga ganyan and to start better this coming Friday.
Kasi, na-mention ko kanina na isa sa motivations ko yung makakasales. Pero at the same time, was the competition kanina na maganda motivate ko lalo kasi parang nakita ko at so much in game. And also, reward na yung ganun mo competitiveness pa, mas nag-feel ka when that's the right action you're
Siyempre, mas nakaka-motivate ka lang lalo na kung gusto mong pakita kung sino kaya, kung anong kaya mo sa loob ng court. And siyempre, yun, tsong sa isa competitor. So, hindi naman ako pwedeng magpapuli lang. Siyempre, kung kaya kong pumalag, papalag naman talaga.
I think that this also sa early start to may siya na you're concerned about kasi you mentioned that hindi na nangyari in first week. Anything that ano ba nangyari sa start nyo at maging flat kayo as adjustments kailangan nyo?
Well, they are just medyo comfortable lang yung mga shots nila and they were not missing during that time. I think nasa 60 ata sa first quarter, kaya medyo 55 yung halftime. Tapos yung piece nila din, lahat kahit hindi man na nasa loob, shoot eh. Ngayon, may mga times na nasa harap kami. Pero siguro we have to do more. Kung nakakashoot na sila na may 1.5, medyo kailangan din pinagparang pa. Yeah, so yun, i-focus natin yun just be tight. They have to feel the defense. Kasi to start, it's just too comfortable for them in making shots. Parang standstill, catch and shoot.